What's going on YouTube, traders, investors? Today is the week 16 video of the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. It's also the update for October. So let's get into it. Before we get in the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. It's all good. And you stand a chance to get a stock like Slack, Uber, Beyond Meat, GE, Ford, Energy Transfer, and many more. The best part about it is completely free. You don't pay a dime to buy or sell stocks. Options are also included. Please use that link. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Okay, here we are on the homepage of the Robinhood web platform. And as you can see today is not a good day. Market's down, Dow's down like over 500 points. It's kind of rebounding a little bit, but this is all off some new recession fears. The manufacturing data came in yesterday, wasn't good, well under what they expected. So of course, ping, everybody's thinking, oh, the recession. Then you got the impeachment hearings on President Trump. So just not a lot of good news right now. And as you can see right here, I'm down approaching 3%. It's not good, which it is what it is. You got to go down so you can come back up. So, but on to the week 16 update. Got a new stock here. It's one I've been looking at for about a couple months. Ticker symbol LK, Luckin Coffee. Basically, it is the Starbucks of China, even though Starbucks is in China. But this coffee company here takes it more on the tech side. I mean, they have stores set up in high traffic areas, and everything pretty much is done on your phone. You pick out what you want, your coffee, macchiato, whatever you want in it, blah, blah, blah. And you already have it. They already have it ready. By the time you walk in there, you grab it and you go. So I think that this company, especially being in China with over billions of people, they can take advantage of a large population and they can explode. So this stock can go way higher than what it's sitting at today. Now, we'll look at the particulars. I got an average cost of $19.67. I probably should have waited a little bit to jump in, but I didn't. So it is what it is. I'm down about 7%, got 7 shares. And like, I'm gonna do a closer look video on Luckin Coffee, just so you know a little bit more about the company. Now, like I said, it is a Chinese company. So, and I know that's been in the news. We're talking about delisting Chinese companies from the markets. It's not gonna happen. So, but look out for that closer look video on Luckin Coffee, and we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, we're back on the homepage, and before we get any further into this, I did sell 1 share of Austria. I had 9, I have 8 now. I sold 1 just because the percentage in my portfolio was too high. I probably bought 1 more share than I needed. Anyway, I sold that share and bought 2 shares of Luckin Coffee. So my initial investments in Luckin Coffee was 5 shares. It dropped. So I was like, you know what? Let me see where I could take a little money from this, because it was a little high in Austria. I think it was like at $370 in that position. So I was like, let me sell 1, put that in Luckin Coffee. So that's where the other 2 shares from Luckin Coffee came from. But since we're talking about Austria, we'll go ahead and jump to that one. As you can see, average cost $43.65. I got 8 shares. I'm down about 8%, which is where this stock's been hanging out with all the bad news around it. But like I said before, the main deal with this stock is the dividend of about 8%. That's pretty sweet. So that's it for Austria. Let's move on to the next one. The next stock in the portfolio is gonna be ticker symbol NRZ, new residential investment. We'll go ahead and jump over to that. And we're down today, just like everybody else. But we got 20 shares, average cost of $15.10. We're down 2.5% for a total return. So, but this is one that pays an awesome dividend of 14%. So it is what it is. This thing had been on a tear lately, and it smacked the 200-day moving average on top of all this bad news. So it's coming down a little bit, but I believe it's going to turn back around and head back north. All right, the next stock in the portfolio is going to be ticker symbol RUN, Sunrun. This was one that had been on a run, and I can show you I've been up 5%. I've been down as much as 13%. And today, as of all this craziness, we're down over 10%. I mean, volatility is back. If you're playing TVIX, make that money. But in this particular stock, got 20 shares, average cost $17.41. We're sitting at $15.60. We're down over 10%. But I'm not scared. I'm sticking with this stock. If you know anything, I did a closer look video on this one. I love their business model, and we're trending in their direction. And the next stock in the portfolio is going to be Vici. Vici Properties, ticker symbol VICI. This one is a REIT. It's an experimental REIT. They dealing with gambling properties, resort type properties. But we'll go ahead and jump into the particulars. 13 shares. We're up over 2%. This one has found some support, and I think we're going to head higher from here. They pay a 5% dividend yield, which is great. And I think this stock has a lot of room to run. So check out Vici. I did a closer look video on Vici. Okay, the last stock in the portfolio is going to be ticker symbol AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. I've got 10 shares at an average cost of $30.37. We're down almost 7% right now. AMD is a technology stock that make processors and GPUs. They're in competition with Intel and Nvidia, but they are taking market share, which shows you why this stock will go in the last 1 year. Actually, we'll do the 5-year chart. This is what the stock's done. It is headed north. It's on a dip right now. So if you like technology and you like a stock that is taking market share from its competition and is definitely headed up, this is one for you. They have earnings coming out October 23rd. So I look for them to do pretty good and continue to head north. So that's it for this video. If you like the information I provide, subscribe, like the video, smash that bell for future notifications, and I will see you in the next video.